What is up, responsible day traders? Today is Thursday, February 15th. Thursday, February 15th, 2023. I am Lindsay Duff, and this is Responsible Day Trading. I had a little bit of time before a meeting today. I set an alarm for 30 minutes. I traded for about 20, and I did all right in the morning, or I did all right then. We had the meeting. It's normally about an hour, but it only took about 30 minutes, and I don't have another appointment for another 30 minutes. So I figured, what the heck, I'll throw in a little bit of trading there, and we'll go from there. I do have a lot of other things I need to take care of right now, but that's all right. But guys, don't forget, we have the seminar coming up in April. So if you want to be a part of that, please reach out to us at info@responsibledaytrading.com, and we'll get you set up with all the information. If you're brand new to trading and you need to learn how to set up your NinjaTrader, how to install the indicators, we have a whole class for that will walk you through what we're reading, what we're seeing, what we're doing. And so if you want to be a part of that, please hit us up. All right, guys. That's going to be it. I hope that everybody has a wonderful week. And as always, enjoy the show. Okay, I have 1 hour. Actually, it's about 50 minutes before I have a meeting. Alexa, set a timer for 35 minutes. Let's look. I already looked at them, but we had this nice big bar pull up. Still haven't broken the bottom Bollinger Band, but we did have a hard time breaking the top with this pullback. So we may see this push down further. But the last low was right here, so we may see this turn and pop back up there, but we'll have to watch it and see. It doesn't look like it's going. It actually looks like it's going to blow through that low right now. It's just a pretty strong area that's held right in here for a while. Not very strong here, but still outside. Breaking below here, but they've already done this before. We're really going to need to see these pop up. Not quite making the follow through yet. These could possibly push down much further. I'm just seeing this potential reversal bar here. Blue BB still out. May have been a little quick on the draw. Ooh. Okay. I'll give it a shot. Okay. Got a meeting in 16 minutes, but we're good for right now. Struggling a little bit to push it down, but it's heading there. Okay. I'll go ahead and hit close. This may continue down, but I have a meeting shortly. I have 2 trades. Let's see. Yeah, and I still feel like I probably could have held that a little bit longer, but I'm good. 1875. I started at 9:26. I'm done at 9:43, so that's under 20 minutes. I'll give it a shot. Rolling here, pulling up. It's a really good chance to still push back. Let's see if this goes up. I can see the long potential here. Just watch him right in here. Okay. We're just going to keep moving this guy up for the moment. Let's see if he pulls back here. Double bar, pulling back. I'm going to go ahead and close this out. May come all the way back down here. It may stop here and go up. But that is going to be the end of my day. So let's go ahead and look these over. 44.50. Okay, so let's go back over them. Okay. So I had 4 trades. All 4 were winners, although, you know, this one was a break even. So do I really consider that a winner? Well, it was a +1, so I'm not sure if I really should consider that one a winner. Okay, so there are 4 trades, 4 wins, plus 44.50. Pre-commissions was $2,225. After commissions, it's $2,160.04, which shows that I had $64.96 in commissions. This particular one, I probably could have held it. I would have been very, very uncomfortable holding that through that, but there was definitely more options to get back in. This one, I think I did pretty good. I don't love my last exit, but that's okay. Oh, where's that last? There we go. 3.0 right there. And there were some opportunities during here in a meeting. It's all good. I did see the entry here, wasn't comfortable taking it, so I took it a little late, and I did allow it to come back because I moved it up to +1 really, really quickly. It did pull right back in, which gave me another opportunity. I feel very, very late on that entry. Probably should have been a little bit closer to here, but that's all right. Moving my risk up behind these areas as it got up to my first target of 10 points, hit the next target of 8, and then pulled the risk in. And I can't remember if I hit close or if it hit my target or if it hit my stop. I closed out that one. So I hit close here, which is fine. It works out fine. It did go up a little bit more, but you can see it's pulling back through there. So that is going to wrap that up. There we go. All right, my friends, that's going to wrap that up. As you can see, I didn't spend a lot of time on it. The beginning of the day was about 20 minutes. The end of the day was about another 15, about another 20 minutes. So in about 40 minutes, we were done with trading for the day. So I hope everybody has a wonderful day. I'm really glad this is a short video because it's not going to take me a whole lot of time to get created for you or get edited and out. But I do have an appointment in about 30 minutes, so it'll have to wait till after that. All right, guys, everybody have a wonderful day. And as always, you know that I look forward to catching you on the profitable side.